Solomon Fitzpatrick, and I'm taking history, physics and maths. You're not going to get spoon-fed stuff, and I think it's key to the teachers have put that across. You're going to have to put work in. At GCSE, if you kind of put a little bit of work in, you were rewarded with good grades. But at A levels, you have to continually put the work in and expect to put that work in. I mean, history specifically, I love learning about the kind of stuff in history, learning about Russia and China, and I think it's just interesting to see how something a little bit different to our culture, where a lot of people died and a lot of people went missing, but the people stayed in power and they still have the support of the people who they were killing and stuff today. So I think I find that really interesting, and how particularly how history relates to today, because I think a lot of stuff repeats itself. And I think the kind of with my physics and maths as well, it brings into the whole kind of thing of everyday things that you see suddenly become interesting when you take physics. It's when you stereotypical apple falling from a tree, and you think of all the physical processes involved in that. I think it makes stuff more interesting. My physics teacher Craig has been a bit more of a tutor to me as well. He always sends out emails specifically sending videos for us to watch. Even our exams are finished now, he sent out a video about the new Brian Cox thing, which is really interesting. And I think that side of it's important as well, because growing up in Eastbourne, quite a small town, so going up to Birmingham is going to be quite interesting to see obviously a lot more range of people, meeting new people. But I think also coming to Lewes has kind of helped me with that, because if I'd gone to Eastbourne I would have been with the same kind of people, but coming to Lewes it's kind of meant that I've met new people and made new friends. It's been good. I'm excited. I'd definitely recommend it, because I think it's a great feel around the place, because you come here, for me I get the train, which means that there's an added aspect to it, and you come here and you're with your friends, and if you don't have lunch you can go into Lewes, and you can come back, go to the library, and with the two buildings as well, it means that because I have all my lessons in Cliff, but whenever I go over to Southover, I go into the library and do some work like that. I think it is a little community almost, where because people aren't coming in and out, going home, so it's here, and you spend a lot more time here and really get involved in the concept of college.